statements. Now we see these videos are called control statements. Control statements are statements which control or change the flow of executions. The following of the control statements are available in a Python. Okay. First, now we discuss about this control statement. One of the control statements are called if statement. This statement is used to execute one or more statements. This statement is used to execute one or more statements depending on whether the condition is true or false. Whether the condition is true or not. True or not. The syntax of the correct format of the if statement is if condition and followed further. If condition following further colon, the condition true means that executing further statements. Statement 1. The example for this program, num1 is assigned for the variables values are called 1. If num double equal to 1, the condition is true, satisfies, then display the outputs are called 1. So if the condition is satisfies, then true means the output is displayed for the 1. Num double equal to 1. Number values are 1 and assign error. This is already assigning for the values are number 1 and the condition is satisfied. Condition of the true means that's executing for the values are called 1. That's the control statements in Python are very important for the colon for condition following for the colon. Condition followed for the colon. That is very essential for the control statements in a Python. Okay. Next, now we are discuss about the if-else statements. If-else statements. If-else statements the if condition 1. If condition 1, the condition is true means the statements 1 is executed. Condition is true means the statement 1 is executed. Suppose the condition is false, then else statement 2 is executed. Else statement 2 is executed. This is called the syntax of a Python programming control statements. The Pythons are followed for that, very essential for that indentation. That is very important. Very essential for that indentation. Indentation means that's a block of code. That's indentation specific for that block of code. For that, simply difference between the Java language and other languages and Python programming. The other languages are called using for the block of code. That's using for the opening curly braces and closing curly braces using for the mention for the block of code. Block of code mention madudike opening curly braces, closing curly braces Java language or C languages are use pannipom. But Pythons are using for the curly braces. That's used for the indentation. That is very important. Indentation normally default for that 4 spaces. For that if condition this is another statements 1. That's followed for the indentation. What indentation? Indentation 4 spaces are followed. This is called the if-else statement. If condition true means statements 1 is executed. Suppose condition false means that executing for the else statement. Simple example for the if-else statement. The x is assigned for the values are called 10. X la the 10 ங்கிற values assign பண்ணிரோம். If x modulo 2 double equal to 0. X modulo 2. That condition is satisfied true, then x is a even number. So for that example, x of the value is 10 modulo 2. 10 modulo 2 means the result is 0. Okay, that's the result is 0. 0 double equal to 0. The condition is true. This is called 10 is even number. This display the outputs are called 10 is even number. 10 is even number and the outputs வந்து நமக்கு display. Suppose that's x values are assigning for the values 11. That's what's the condition does. இப்போ condition என்ன பண்ணும் சார் அப்படினு பார்த்தா x of the values 11 modulo 2 equal to 11 modulo 2 பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும் அப்படினு பார்த்தா ரிமைண்டர் வந்து 1 வரும். சரியா? This modulo operations using for that remainder வந்து என்ன ஆகும் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா remainder வந்து 1 அப்படி இருக்கும். 1 double equal to 0. This condition is false. False means else statements are executed. That's output is called 10 is add number அப்படிங்கற outputs வந்து நமக்கு display ஆகும். Okay, this is also called if else statements அப்படி சொல்றோம். Next one are called another one இருக்கு if else statement. Sometimes the programmer has to multiple condition and execute statement depending on the condition. Sometimes the programmer checking for the multiple condition. Using for this if else statements are used. Okay. First, the syntax of the if else statements. If condition 1, the condition 1 is when condition 1 is true means statement 1 is executed. Suppose condition 1 is false, then another conditions are checking. Condition 2, checking for the condition 2. Condition 2 is true means statements 2 are executed. Suppose condition 2 false means that's condition 3 are checking. Condition 3 are true means statements 3 are executed. Suppose condition 3 is false means statements 4 are executed. This example for this program, num is assigned for the 5 conditions. If num equal to 0, num 5 double equal to 0. This 5 double equal to 0, the condition is false. False, then elif conditions are checking 5 greater than 0. 5 greater than 0, this condition is true. True means that's 5 is positive. That's output is displaying for the 5 is positive. This is for the if elif else statements. Thank you.